So take me back to December, just us in the house. You told me I would forget you if you could see me now. Barely breathing, barely sleeping, there's a bullet in my chest.